Alright, guys, I really wanted you to get the time to listen to my 5-year-old self. Alright, I don't know. There's something I really liked to put on, say on this back then was some random Ice Age quote. Like, really. Okay, let's listen. What's that? This one. That was some random recordings. Oh wait, not that one. That. Oh, I made that one today. Oh, what? Oh wow, those are some nice Sammy Classic Sonic fan screams. Oh wait, that's actually Sammy Classic Sonic fan.
Oh no.
Oh, that's Knuckles. That's another Sammy. Okay, that one wasn't me today. Wow, back then I used to really like Gangnam Style.
So goodbye. I have no idea how to breathe. It's just me, you, and the moon. Hey, Jude, you should kiss. That's enough. Oh. Okay, guys, I know. Okay, goodbye. Hi, yes, you are told. Can you give me a minute? I'm not crazy. Fine. Don't give me the. I'm not crazy. Bam. Bam. Ow. I'm not crazy. Okay, goodbye. Oh. Okay. Okay, goodbye. Please. I'm not crazy big. Nick. Students, I'm playing too. I have no idea how to breathe. It's just me, you, and the moon. Hey, Jude, you should kiss. Oh.
That was majestic.
Stop right there! Here comes Johnny.
That was the most beautiful noise I've ever heard. Wow, I was sure a screamer when I was little. Anyways, I just looked at some of my old 3DS 3DS audio. Yeah, I was a weird 5-year-old. Or 4, or just 3. I think that was me back in 2011 or 2012. Oh, my old me, when I didn't give a crap about too much. And all I cared about was watching Dora the Explorer. Ah, good old times. Alright, people, bye.